Hello, my name is Caitlin Wallace, and I had The Lord of the Rings and Transformations in Sociospatial Identity in New Zealand by Martin Phillips. I did the first 8 pages in the paper. The movie trilogy based on The Lord of the Rings was filmed in New Zealand, and it greatly impacted many different things in New Zealand. It caused New Zealand's film industry to boom almost overnight. The trilogy caused New Zealand to gain national recognition in the film industry and caused many other internationally acclaimed films to be filmed there, including The Chronicles of Narnia, The Last Samurai, and King Kong. It also boosted the economy of New Zealand. Most of the production costs were spent inside New Zealand, and it was an estimated $300 million in New Zealand money that was spent there, which obviously very much impacted the economy in a very positive way. Tourism after the film was released also increased. Many fans of the books and movies both wanted to visit where they were filmed. This is because they did such a good job with the movie to make the film seem as though it was in Middle Earth and not just filmed in New Zealand, which kind of looked like Middle Earth. So many of the fans wanted to visit there because they believed that's where Middle Earth was. Also, many of the rural areas that were shown in the movie were able to be brought to life by the geography in New Zealand. The rolling hills and fields accurately portrayed the Shire very well. This further allowed readers to believe that New Zealand was not just a location for the movie, but that it truly was Middle Earth. Thank you.